Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions. Your local 36-hour forecast from the National Weather Service. The extended forecast. Your local radar, showing any precipitation and its movement during the past 90 minutes. Intensity is indicated by the color code at the top of the screen.